Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Today we are going to find out the range and domain of the following question. Number 1 is gx is equal to square root of x square minus 2x minus 8. Second is fx is equal to square root of 21 minus 4x minus x square. Third is fx is equal to 1 divided by square root of x minus 3. And the last one is fx is equal to 1 divided by square root of 3 minus x. So let's see how to solve these questions. So let us take first question, which is gx is equal to square root of x square minus 2x minus 8. Now we will write it in terms of y, that is y is equal to square root of x square minus 2x minus 8. Now here we have square root, so y will be defined only if x square minus 2x minus 8 is greater than or equal to 0. So this can be written as x minus 4 into x plus 2 is greater than equal to 0. That is x minus 4 is greater than equal to 0 and x plus 2 is greater than equal to 0. Now let us forget about the inequalities. So let us take 2 points, x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 2. So on the number line, this is the point minus 2 and this is the point 4. Now this section is x is less than minus 2 and this section is x is greater than minus 2 but less than 4, and this section is x is greater than 4. So in this section, taking the values minus 3 or minus 4 or any other value, we will see that this equation is satisfied. In this interval, if we take x is equal to minus 1, 0 or 3, we see that this condition is not satisfied. And in this interval, if we take 5, 6 or any other value, we see that this condition is totally satisfied. Now here the condition was greater than equal to 0. So these 2 points will also satisfy this equation. So this is satisfied, this is satisfied, and minus 2, minus 4 also satisfied the condition. So domain is minus infinity to 2 union 4 to infinity, where these square brackets means that minus 2 and 4 are included in the domain. Now for the range, let us write the equation again. Y is equal to square root of x square minus 2x minus 8. Now to express x as a function of y, we will square at the both side. So y square will be equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. Or this can be written as y square is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8 plus 1. Now x square minus 2x plus 1 can be written as x minus 1 whole square, and minus 1 minus 8 will be minus 9. So this will be y square plus 9 is equal to x minus 1 whole square, or square root of y square plus 9 is equal to x minus 1. This can be written as x minus 1 is equal to square root of y square plus 9, or x is equal to y square plus 9 plus 1, and this will be defined only when y square plus 9 is greater than or equal to 0. Now y is always positive here, so the range will be 0 to infinity, where square bracket means that 0 is included. Now second question is fx is equal to square root of 21 minus 4x minus x square. So let us write it as y is equal to 21 minus 4x minus x square. So y will be defined only if 21 minus 4x minus x square is greater than or equal to 0, otherwise it will be undefined. So let us take the negative sign common. So minus x square plus 4x minus 21 is greater than equal to 0, or x square plus 4x minus 21 is less than equal to 0. Now on factorizing, we will get x plus 7 into x minus 3 is less than equal to 0. So let us again forget about the inequalities. So we will get x is equal to minus 7 and x is equal to 3. So let us draw the number line. Here and here we have 2 points minus 7 and 3. we have x is less than equal to minus 7, x is less than equal to 3, and x is equal to minus 7 and x is equal to 3. So in this interval, if we take minus 11, minus 9 or minus 8, we will see that this condition is not satisfied. And if we take any number from here to here, this condition is satisfied. And if we take any number in this interval, suppose 4 or 5 or any other number, this condition is not satisfied. So only in this interval condition is satisfied. So the domain is d is equal to minus 7 to 3, where square bracket means that minus 7 and 3 are included. Now for the range of the function, let us write the equation again. Y is equal to square root of 21 minus 4x minus x square. Now we will express x as a function of y, so we will square on both sides. So y square is equal to 21 minus 4x minus x square. Now we will add plus 4 and subtract minus 4 in this equation. So we will get y square is equal to 25 minus 4x minus x square minus 4, which will give y square is equal to 25 minus x minus 2 whole square, or x minus 2 whole square is equal to 25 minus y square, or x minus 2 is equal to square root of 25 minus y square, or x is equal to square root of 25 minus y square plus 2. Now here we have a square root function. So 25 minus y square should be greater than equal to 0, or 25 is greater than equal to y square, that is y square is less than equal to plus minus 5. Now y is always positive here, so we will take only positive values, that is y will be between 0 to 5, that is range of the function is equal to 0, 5, where 0 and 5 are included. Now another question is fx is equal to 1 upon square root of x minus 3. Let us write it as y is equal to 1 upon square root of x minus 3. Now for the domain, we see that here we have square root function. So this expression must be always greater than or equal to 0. But it is also in denominator, so it can't be 0. Otherwise it will become undefined. So square root of x minus 3 should always be greater than 0. That is x minus 3 should be greater than 0. That is x should be greater than 3. So domain of this function will be 3 to infinity, where 3 is not included. Now for the range of the function, we will write y is equal to 1 divided by square root of x minus 3. Now expressing x as a function of y, we will get y square is equal to 1 upon x minus 3 on squaring both sides, which will give x minus 3 is equal to 1 divided by y square, or x is equal to 1 divided by y square plus 3. Now this can be written as 1 plus 3y square divided by y square. Here we have y in denominator, so y square can't be equal to 0. Also from here we see that y is always positive. So the range of the function will be r is equal to 0 to infinity, where 0 is not included in the range. Now fx is equal to 1 divided by 3 minus x. Here we have 3 minus x in denominator, but in previous question we had x minus 3 in the denominator. So let's see the difference in both question. So for the domain, we will write this as y is equal to 1 divided by square root of 3 minus x. Here we have square root function and also in denominator. So 3 minus x should be greater than 0. That is x should be less than 3. So the domain of this function will be minus infinity to 3, where 3 is not included. Now for the range, let us write the equation again. Now we will express x is a function of y, so we will square on both sides. So y square will be 1 upon 3 minus x, or 3 minus x is equal to 1 upon y square, which will give 3 minus 1 upon y square is equal to x. Now this can be written as 3y square minus 1 divided by y square is equal to x. Here y square is in denominator, so y can't be equal to 0, and the question was y is equal to 1 divided by square root of 3 minus x. Here we see that y can't be negative, so we will take only positive values. So the range of the function r will be equal to 0 to infinity, where 0 is not included. So I hope you enjoyed the video and it was easy to understand. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel.